Swiss watchmaker Franck Muller unveils limited edition Solana watch. Swiss watchmaker Franck Muller released a 1,111-piece series tied to Solana wallets through on-watch QR codes. If you've ever wanted to have your Solana wallet on your wrist while flexing your wealth, Swiss watchmaker Franck Muller is making that a reality. The watch market is stepping into the Web3 ecosystem with a Solana-inspired, limited edition series of watches that contain an embedded unique QR code to directly link to the user's Solana address. The company's Solana-inspired watch collection is limited to 1,111 units that will set buyers back 20,000 Swiss francs, around $24,300. While the watches feature a unique design that could appeal to Solana ecosystem participants, their launch comes at a time when, unfortunately, flaunting crypto-related wealth is becoming risky. The cryptocurrency industry has seen dozens of physical attacks just this year, with a notable case seeing the daughter and grandson of Pierre Noisette, CEO of crypto platform Paymium, being targeted in a daytime attempted kidnapping. The attack was filmed and shared on social media. While that kidnapping attempt failed, an earlier one in the same city saw the father of a crypto millionaire get abducted. Police managed to rescue the man, but not before his finger was severed. Earlier this year, the co-founder of hardware wallet maker Ledger, David Ball, along with his wife, was abducted from his home and saw similar treatment. The couple was later rescued by authorities, and a ransom that had been paid out was seized. There have been many other similar attacks in recent months. Franck Muller is pitching the collection as a physical-digital symbol of identity and ownership in the crypto age. While the watch is certainly a piece of crypto mythos, it may be a collectible that investors may not want to show off. Read more. Major wake-up call. How $400 million Coinbase breach exposes crypto's dark side. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold.